Hello everyone, this is Jilesh, an applications engineer at Adonix Technologies. Today we are going to see some quick tips on creating animations for your assemblies and mechanisms in SolidWorks. So let's see how to do it. So here we have a simple example of an assembly. So for that we're going to go to motion study. So here you have timelines and your parts and orientations, camera views options here. So to not capture the rotation of our views, we have to right click orientation and camera views and disable these two options for disable view creation, disable playback. Then you have to let's keep this on. Then go to our view we want to create. So for now, I'll just take this view and then disable this both options. Okay. So for you can drag this bar to the timeline to add steps. So for 0 to 1 second, I'll drag this part backwards, and for another 1 second, from 1 to 2 second, I'll bring it back to the original position. You can play to review what you have. Okay, so for after these two steps, we want to rotate the model and zoom out a little bit to see the whole assembly. And for that, we just drag this to 2 to 4 seconds and on the disable view creation, disable playback of views and disable view creation. So our bar is now at 4 seconds. So for from 2 to 4 seconds, we are just going to zoom out a little and position like this. So you can see an orientation and camera views key has been created. This all happens because we have auto key auto key creation on. So when you play this animation, you see both things are done simultaneously. So we don't want that. We want this rotation of this assembly from just 2 to 4 seconds. So you can just drag these keys to 2 seconds. So now our rotation will be for 2 to 4 seconds. So you can just play again and see the animation. You can move this keys anytime you want. Okay. You can adjust it according to your need. So for next step, I'll again disable this both options. For another 1 second, I want this part to be off. Okay, so key is added. Yeah. Let's go back to the 0 and keep this on to properly view the animation we have created. So you can also make this transparent or hide this part so that you can also add appearances. So here the pink line is for appearance, that this part has been hide. For that, play again, you can see the animation. So it has been called. So for next part, we are going to create an exploded view. So let's click exploded view and add steps to this. First step, second step. For being precise, you can move to the side view, go back to the original position. Done. The third step will be back inside. Okay, so for now, let's collapse this assembly. So we'll add this exploded view to this timeline by using animation wizard. So click on animation wizard, have to explode the assembly. Next, let's say our duration is from 5 seconds, so starts at 5 seconds and duration, let's say, will be 4 seconds. Click finish. So going down, you can see the keys. The exploded views are being added. You can adjust the duration as you want. You can play the assembly. You can play it from beginning. You can see all of it together. So likewise, you can add any mechanisms, moving the parts and showing the details and communicating, making a technical communication video. You can save it as save this animation as a video. You have all the formats: MP4, AVI, MKV. You can adjust the image size or video size and aspect ratio. You can adjust the frames per second you want. You can save anywhere. Well, yeah. Let's see, I've created already video from this. So you can save such animations. So this was something about creating animation from Motion Studio, basic animation. Thanks for watching.